We cannot allow this World Cup to begin without a word about the greatest player of this generation, Lionel Messi. This is Messi's 5th bite of the World Cup cherry. And if there is one baller who deserves to win a World Cup title, is Lionel Messi. Certainly, at age 35, this is his last chance to win a World Cup. Unlike other World Cup tournaments though, this Argentina team is playing more as a team than any other team that Messi played in at any World Cup. And everybody knows that Brazil are my team. And we have said Brazil all the way for the title in Qatar. But even then, we not tell no lie. If Brazil don't win this World Cup, I could live with Messi winning instead of Brazil. In the event that Brazil and Argentina meet in the final, obviously, I want Brazil to win. But again, if Messi even beat Brazil in that final, we would have still happy for Lionel Messi. That is how much I rate this baller. But as much as this Argentina team is motivated and focused, they cannot win the World Cup unless Messi leads them from the front with big performances in big games in this big tournament. Yes. But we're not set $1 on that.